Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how I do my perfectly undone messy beach waves. I feel like I never see the messy looking beach waves online, and I want to show you how I do mine. You want to be a part? Yes! Okay, so my favorite tool is the T3. It's the convertible collection. These little tops come off so you can switch them out and you can get different kind of beach waves. There's also like this one for a more tousled look. And sometimes I like to use these for it's more of a bigger wave, I guess. But this is the good one for the classic beach wave. So I already blow dried my hair too with this featherweight compact. And this is how my hair turns out after it blow dries. It's pretty straight and flat, so we need to build some volume. I also wanted to show you guys my favorite primer. I show you this a lot on Instagram. It's the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil. And really makes my hair soft, not crunchy. When you're using heat, you really want to use a good primer. Save your hair. Okay, so here I'm gonna use my convertible. And I like to start at the top and kind of build the volume from there. Hold on for a few seconds and then, ouch, yeah, you're gonna burn your hand. But I like to break it up right away so it's not too curly. And you guys will see towards the end what I do to make it a little bit more tousled. Oh. And I already kind of did my bangs. I'll fix them at the end, but that's basically the gist. So I'm gonna get started. Here we go. I mentioned to you guys already, but I like to go outward, not inward, so it kind of frames your face a little bit better when you're going out. Kind of creates a better shape too, so out, not in. Okay, so I think this is the point where a lot of people say, okay, I'm done. I curled my hair, there's waves in my hair, I'm done. It's beach waves. But it's not. I have a little secret for you. So I'm gonna use my Single Pass Luxe from T3. I use this usually on a day-to-day basis to create like simple waves and bends through the hair. It really glides easily. But I just spent all that time curling my hair with the wave. So seems kind of pointless, but you take the Single Pass Luxe and I kind of, I straighten the bottoms so that it's kind of like a messy undone look, but I take the single pass and I quickly, not holding it for long, but go over the waves I just did. And it gives me a more textured, piecey look. And you're like, wow, you just wasted all that time. Well, actually, I did not. I'm creating a look here. It's a special look. And then it's product time. So at the end, I like to use either my Amika Undone Texture Spray, or I have this little baby bottle, this dry texturizing spray. So I like to use them kind of in tandem or depending on, but I just kind of get ambidextrous here. Wow, I'm using big words today. And if you want to use it in tandem, you can. This one's a little drier, so. Woo! Gives it more texture. Then I like to take this Bumble and Bumble powder and this may seem a little bit scary, but I kind of part my roots a little bit. It's like a little bit like a baby powder. You saw how like flat my hair was after I blow dried it, so it's like you need a little bit of oomph. Okay, and then lastly I use this Bumble and Bumble Brilliant Time. I like to put a little bit in my hand. And I rub it together. And then I do a little motion with my hands. I need a little bit more. And there you have it, folks. I got my textured, piecey, messy, real-life beach waves. No ocean sand necessary, just at home, a few tools, a few products, and I'm ready for the day.